Hi friends, welcome again to tepl YouTube channel. This is the time for monsoon and time for agriculture activity. Lot of farmers are putting effort on cultivating for our daily needs. Eventually, once the crop started to yield, there are lot of challenges to protect the yield from insects, where some insects are controlled by nature itself and some insects need man effort. As you seen in our earlier videos about the functionality and usage of solar insect trap, how to use those traps and trap those insects. The reason behind to make this video to educate more on the manufacturing and testing process of defect-free product. When we sell these kits in SKT form or we sell trap circuit, customer faces several challenges and they do have several questions. We need to take care while assembling the circuit. Wrong connection leads to the damage or malfunctioning of circuit. Scenario like reverse connection leads to the failure of component. Using higher voltage and wrong wattage panel damages ICs and active components. Actual and main reason behind making this video is for those who remove these white RMC connectors, indication LEDs, and want to assemble in their own methodology. In this case, there is 99% chances of track damages which leads to complete system failure. Skilled technician should be required handle this situation wisely. In such case, company cannot stand for warranty. To avoid all this situation, with our trap circuit, we are given three RMCs. One is for panel, one is for battery, and one is for switch. And come to the indication, the red LED indicates battery low, and green blinking means system is charging. Apart from this, we need to use good quality battery with BMS and efficient panel. We believe this video gives more insight on the manufacturing process and making defect-free assembly. Thank you for watching this video. For new updates, please subscribe our channel. For more details, please contact below numbers.